Okay, so you're getting serious about buying a home. Now it's time to start assembling your team. Now it's time to find a great local real estate agent. Having a great agent is crucial, especially in competitive markets. Your agent should be by your side, helping you navigate the process from start to finish. Now, there are a lot of ways to find an agent. Heck, everybody knows somebody who knows a real estate agent. But you should do your research, and you should feel empowered to ask questions. You should go online, go to redfin.com, and read reviews from recent clients who've been successful with our agents.
It's actually really easy. Just type in where you're searching, and Redfin will show you local agents in your area. From there, you can read candid customer reviews and learn about the deals they've closed. And when you're ready, just reach out. Whether or not you're working with Redfin, make sure you ask these questions to find the right agent. How many clients have you helped this year? How quickly can you get me into a home? How many sales have you handled in my search area? Can I see reviews from your past clients? And you can always sit down with an agent and ask them more questions about the home buying process, how they like to work and communicate, and how they've helped clients succeed in your market.
The home buying process is crazy, so you should have an agent who can advocate for you, help you define what you're looking for, and when you do find a home you love, is a bulldog negotiator and can help you write a competitive and compelling offer to win you that home. So it's important to just find somebody that works right for you. Somebody that you trust can be an advocate for you and partner with you for the whole journey of home buying.